This is a meeting type that you can bring into the home, namely having one-on-one meetings with your children. Now, I'm not talking about any kind of rigorous, rigid calendar holds where you have to contact your kid's administrative assistant to coordinate. We're not talking that. But this notion of being intentional, that a parent is finding time on a regular basis to engage with their child on their terms, not your terms, not about asking them to unload the dishwasher, not about asking them their grade on their last math test, but it's just checking in with their child in a real, genuine way. You know, what's top of mind? What are you struggling with? What's good for you right now? What's hard for you right now? How can I help and be supportive to you? You know, what did you think of this career thing that you had mentioned, you know, last week when we were chatting? So finding these opportunities where you sincerely and deeply take an interest in your child, because sadly, we often don't. We're moving too fast and we're surrounded by distractions. So we do have to be intentional. And when I shared this insight with developmental psychologists and clinical psychologists, you know, their reaction is this is completely aligned with everything we know in psychology, that, you know, this is what's missing in a lot of parent-child relationships. And again, parents don't even realize it because they might be saying, as they're listening to this, oh no, I have lots of conversations with my kids. And I don't doubt it, but I'm talking about a different type of conversation. I'm talking about a conversation that's not for you as a parent, it's for your child. And that is a meaningful opportunity for connection with a person, right, that doesn't have the same power as you. And it helps build a great foundation of trust and of love and of intimacy. And it reflects so well on you as a parent that you are finding this dedicated space, no matter what, to feature your child.